Welcome to Japan Language Factory Membership Program. Today is Hiragana Gagiguge-go. Have you already learned all Hiragana? So, which means you already finished all Hiragana, basic Hiragana. So, from today is a combination of Hiragana. And then you can say something new pronunciation. Okay? So, let's see. So, for example, this is ga, created by ka and with duck 10. So, you already learned this ka. But today, you will add this two dots and pronunciation ka to ga. Combination of hiragana ka and with duck 10 and pronunciation ka to ga. Okay? Very, very simple because you already know kakikukeko. So you just add two dots. So it's like a revision of kakikukeko plus duck 10 and you will say something new pronunciation. Okay. So let's get started. 始めましょう。1, 2, 3. So this is ka with two duck 10. Two dots. Okay. Ga. Ga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ga. Ga. Ga is exactly like G-A. Ga, 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 ga. Ga. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what? Hiragana ki. So hiragana ki to duck 10 gi, 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 gi. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So pronunciation is gi, 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 gi. Okay. So next one. This one, what was it? This is hiragana ku, 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 ku to gu, gu. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, gu. Okay, easy. So, next one. What is this hiragana? Ke. Ke to ge. 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 Genki desu ka? How are you? How are you? Genki desu ka? Now you can write down. Ge. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is hiragana ko to go. Okay, this is go. Go. Go is 5. 5. Go. Okay? So now you can write some new vocabulary. Let's check. 頑張る。頑張る。頑張りましょう。Let's do our best. 頑張りましょう。頑張る is a verb. So if you want to learn the verb, you can check the verb video and maybe you can understand how to use actually this verb. 頑張る。So technology. 技術。技術。Actually, maybe you haven't learned this ju pronunciation, but like J, ju, 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 技術、技術。Okay, technology. 芸術、芸術、art. This jutsu is actually the same kanji. And then when you learn the kanji, you will understand this is a technique. Technique. So that's jutsu. Jutsu is the same. Technology also technique. And the art also technique. So it's this jutsu, you will write down technique kanji. So if you know kanji, of course, you will like understand more what does mean these words. Okay, so 技術 and 芸術 and ご飯 gohan, that's everyday life you can use. Meal or rice. So meal and the rice are the same. Not exactly same. How you say it. For example, ご飯食べましょう。Let's have a meal. Or, you are already sitting on the table and here is a soup and this is like a main dish or side dish. And here, there's a rice bowl. Then here it's ご飯. So like, it's long time ago. Usually we're eating all the time. ご飯, that's the like kind of like everyday life. Like European or American, every day they eat bread. That's like kind of meal, like main meal and also bread. So it's kind of like this very important part. So that's why meal and this rice is the same words. Okay. Of course, if you want to say exactly what is this is a flour, like a wheat flour, and this is a rice flour or something. Specific material, if you want to say rice, is 米 is a correct. 米 is a rice. It's really exactly, this is a correct. Okay. So, how was it? ガギグゲゴ頑張りましょう Let's do our best. 頑張りましょう